We're starting today, tomorrow. Zra'im, let's everybody please come here. After the סיום, there will be a shir in Maimer from the Rebbe. We'd like to ask today to make the סיום. A Choshev in German, Rav Achosid, Rav Shalom, Dovער, הכהן is going to make the סיום. Please, Rav Shalom Ber, bevakasha, Shalom Ber.
Sefer הפלאה, the Rambam says like this. The Rambam concludes the Sefer. A person should not sanctify all his properties. It says in the pasuk you should give from what you have, not everything you have. You should be like the Chacham explained in this pasuk. The Ein Zu Chassidus is not Chassidus el Shtus. It's foolishness. He's losing all his money. He's going to need to be dependent on people. He's not allowed to have pity over this person. Such people, Chacham say that not a wise Chacham, not a wise Chassid is from the people that destroy the world. Someone who gives out money in mitzvahs, it shouldn't be more than a fifth of his properties, whether it's in the worldly matters, whether it's in the things of Torah. I feel even carbons that a person is obligated to bring them on a chassid Torah a moment. Torah had pity over the money of a person and said he should only bring according to what he could handle, what he could afford. For sure, things that he's not obligated to bring, it's only because of his neder. He should not make a neder only when he's befitting to him. Brich Achman the Sayan, Nigma Sefer Shishi, Bez Shaka, me and Prokim Sefer Zeh, Shleish, Boim Hilch Shleish, Shemos Prokim, Hilch Dorm Shleish Prokim, Hilch Zir Sasar Prokim, Hilch Haram and Shmena Prokim. This is the end of Sefer HaFlot. The Rambam basically saying that you shouldn't waste your money on give money more than a fifth. It says in Tanya that Kol Shalish Yitim Bad Nafshi, and especially. So the Rebbe explains there's two Avedas. There's Aveda Api Dam Vadas, Aveda Shem Did Vagbola, that you say Alifaz Yesim Mechemish. Then there's Aveda Shalom Did Vagbola, Kol Shalishit Bad Nafshi. That comes at Yichida, higher than Tam Vadas. Yichida Shebenefesh is one with Hashem, therefore he's therefore he's able to serve the Eibishter beyond any limitations. When is this dependent on? So it depends on different times of the year. Sometimes you have to do Avedim did Vakbola. Sometimes you have to do Avedim Lamailam did Vakbola. And he says the in of Tshuva, although it says Kol Yom B'Tshuva, but there's a special time special for Tshuva, like Yom Kippur. That's the time of Tshuva. That's a special time of Tshuva. And regular days, there's a Seder Aveda which is shaykh to that time. Saying the Rebbe says Limud HaTeira. There's on one hand you say that there's enough Chiv Limud HaTeira in a way you can learn any part of Teira in any time. That's enough Blikvul. But there's sometimes you have to learn the halachos regarding that time. And so to Nzdok, b'derech klal you have to give him the Vakbola, Meiser Chemish, or between Meiser and Chemish. And special times you have to give more than Chemish till Kol HaShalish. So the Rebbe says this is Sefer HaFlaa. How does this come to Sefer HaFlaa? Sefer HaFlaa is the Rebbe says the chibur of Sefer HaFlaa and Sefer Zra'im, which comes right after, is the chibur of is connected with birthday. The birthday is the neshama comes into the body. The neshama is blikvul, chelkel kamal mamish, and that's the of afloa. That's the of blikvul, pella. And Sefer Zra'im is the way the neshama is nizra in the guf of nefesh habayim. It comes down in this world. It comes in medid of akbola. But to connect the chibur of blikvul and gvul is even in Sefer Afloa. The Rambam writes already in the end of the Sefer and concludes. Don't forget, you have to bring it down. The ultimate kavanah is that you come down into the world, into kelim. There's once a bocher, the Rebbe said that you have to see this bocher should be a seder of Eiris Bekelim. I'm not going to say who the bocher was, but there was a bocher, the Rebbe wrote to another bocher that was working with him, and a seder Mesudr, Blosh Nachsidis, Eiris Bekelim. Al Kapon, now we'll go to Sefer Zra'im, B'Shem Hashem Keileilam, Ti Yadchal Azreini Ki V'Gadecha V'Charti. Sefer Shviv, Sefer Zra'im. Seder? Okay, we said enough.
Right after
Zra'im is the Neshama Beguf. The Neshama Beguf. Das ist der Haben sagen the Sefer. Okay. Geise Shabbos aus Sidor und Hilchos Kalaim, Hilchos Matzanim, Hilchos Trumas, Hilchos Mais.
Everybody
Hilchos Mais. You want to say the first halacha? Okay.
Today's the outside.
Hilchos Mais Shenim Net Revai, Hilchos Bekurim Shamatz Knon, Shabak Vol Hilchos Mit Beyevel. Yes, Bechol Chomish Mit Sleis Sev Zo Proto. Shlei Zrei Zraim Kalaim, Shlei Zrei Tvoy Yerek Bekerem. Shlei Be Beim Kalaim, Shlei Las Malach Bekili Beim Keachot. Shlei Mobul Beshkalaim, Beim Mit Sel Beprokmel, Perek Aleph, Halacha Aleph. Azrei Shneim in Zraim Keachot Bet Yisrael. Leike, Shneim Sod Chol Yisra Kalaim. So this, I'm just saying that, I'm not saying the halacha from the Kalaim, what's the lesson we learned from Kalaim, but the lesson we learned from the Chlal Zra'im is, I'm da verrokum in Welt. It's not enough to